Hi, I'm Andrew Bell. At this point, you should have completed the course registration process on your actual paper copies. The next step we're going to be doing is entering this information online. In order to enter online, you're going to need access to a Chromebook. If you don't already have one, the teachers in your classrooms can distribute those now. If you're in a computer lab, you can move to one of the desktop computers so you can begin entering that information as well. Once you're there, you're going to log into the NC Ed Cloud. Students should know how to do this. Parents, if you're unfamiliar with this, teachers available for you to step you through this as well if you need help. If you have not completed the demographic portion of your course registration card, now would be an excellent time to do so. Teachers, if you want to go ahead and pause the video for a couple minutes while we wait for everyone to get prepared to enter things in PowerSchool. All right, at this point, everyone should be logged into PowerSchool. When you navigate to the first homepage of PowerSchool, you should see a set of links over here to the left where my cursor is currently moving. You're going to find class registration right here and click on class registration. And at that point, you should see the same screen that is being displayed currently. Notice the first course that we have up here at the top is Health and PE. This right here shows that it has already been selected on your behalf. So Health and PE has been done. We're going to be stepping through entering that information that's on your course card for Section 1, Section 2, and Section 3. So all students, everyone can go through Section 1. That is going to be your world language. If you locate it here, notice again there's nothing here because we have not selected it yet. You're going to scroll all the way over here to the far right and click on the little pencil, which is the edit button, and you get a pop-up window which gives you your French, Latin, or Spanish choices. Please look at your registration card and click the box next to the language that you chose. So if I chose Latin, I will click that one. Once you've chosen your language, you're going to click OK. And you should see this pop up here in the middle indicating that Latin has been selected for me or whatever that language would be for your registration. Section 2 will only be applicable to those who completed Section 2 on your card. Everyone who's on Section 3, you can just sit tight for a minute while we go through this with them. So all of you who chose band or orchestra, we're going to move over here to the far right again and choose the pencil icon. You get a pop-up window, and you simply check next to band or orchestra, whichever you have chosen. So if I chose band, I would click on band here, click OK. And again, it will pop up and show you that you've chosen that. Anyone who chose band or orchestra at this time, please get the packet from your teacher of information and a form that you can complete while everyone else does Section 3 to turn in to the band or orchestra teachers. Once we are complete with registration, you actually go to turn in that form and get more information about what that will look like for next year. All right, so Section 2, you are complete. Go ahead and work on those forms. Everyone else, we're going to go down to Section 3. And again, you have ranked these 1 through 3 on your card. So now we're going to enter those first choice, the first ranking, the 1. Again, we go over here to the far right and click on the pencil. And you check only the box that is your first choice where you have a 1. So if I chose art as my first choice, I'll click it here. Notice if I choose 2 courses, I get an error. Will not allow me to select 2, just the first choice, and you click OK in the bottom right. And again, it pops up right here in the middle indicating it's been selected. Let's say my second choice now. I'm going to again choose the pencil, go through these same steps. Let's say I said dance was my second choice. I click OK. And now I've got my 2 choices entered, and I will do the same steps for my third choice. Let's say it's exploring economic systems. So at this point, if I scroll back up, I should be able to see all of my course selections right here in the middle. Please cross-reference this with your current paper registration card. Take the time to make sure that it is reflecting exactly what's on that card so everything is accurate. Band and orchestra students, if you want to go back through this process with us as well and just double checking that the screen matches your card. Once everything is accurate, in the bottom right-hand corner where my cursor is now, I do not have the button on this platform, but you should see a blue button that says Submit. You're going to click that Submit button, and that is going to input all of those course requests through PowerSchool, and we can begin scheduling the elective courses for your students. The online platform is going to be what actually generates schedules. The paper copy will retain to have as a hard copy for all of this information, should there be any discrepancies brought to our attention later, and so that we have the most accurate information over the summer as we are going through the scheduling process. At this point, we are done with registration. Everyone that came out tonight, thank you so much for coming. You'll have some time to go to the different locations that are on the back of the map that you got with your invitation. If you have any questions or need any assistance, we have plenty of people around the building and the teachers in your classrooms. I hope you had a wonderful evening. Please drive home safe, and welcome to Randolph, and we look forward to a great 2019-2020 school year. Thank you.